guess just the final thing, from a Schneider perspective, I know the global company has its fingers in many, many pies, so has a lot of knowledge about these areas, but purely in the data center, and you're known for UPS, how sort of far within this sort of edge environment do you think Schneider can play? Will you be partnering with people? Will you want to own a bit more than you currently do? How do you see that playing out?
Well, it's certainly an interesting question, and again, I'll go back to where I started, is we are already working with partners in a much different way in order to solve this problem that we see our customers have at the edge. So I mentioned we've got partnerships with HPE, startups like Scale Computing. We just did some work with Cisco where all of our racks now are certified by Cisco to ship with UCS installed. These are things where we're working with the ecosystem in a much different way, because the demand is our customers getting a compute block that's highly manageable, highly resilient, that is delivered on their site. So, so that's been where a lot of the focus is today, is around just, how do we get the ecosystem working together so together we can solve this problem. Now, I do think, where's the boundary between the physical infrastructure and IT really gets blurry when you do that. And again, I think that's where our response today is, we're not there yet today, but we're certainly not where I want us to be, but is how do we make our software tools much more open and much more interactive than they've been in the past. I mean, we're challenging our teams internally, to think about it much differently than maybe we did in the past, because that's what this trend of edge computing is going to demand. So, beyond that, it's difficult to predict the future. So, but that's certainly the tangible things we're doing today to try and address the problems that we see.
That's great. Thanks very much indeed.
All right. Thank you, Phil.